Life is accelerating, and with IoT, we can make everything smarter. From our buildings to our workspaces and our business processes. Enterprises are using more and more data-driven insights to optimize energy consumption, cut operational costs, maximize space usage based on need, ensure the safety and resilience of their buildings, boost productivity, health and well-being, and generally make workspaces better. It's a new way of thinking, connecting people, sensors, digital twins, and other data sources across all spaces in the built environment. Smart building technology will empower you to get data-driven insights, deploy automation, and deliver on new and changing demands. Planon makes digital transformation quick and easy with sensor-agnostic, scalable, smart building solutions to turn any building, space, or process into a smart one. Our IoT-enabled solutions allow you to gain meaningful insights by connecting any building, system, or sensor. Easily deploy IoT initiatives to optimize your operations. Manage all your buildings and sites from a single dashboard. Prove that you are in control, thus empowering you to optimize building operations and drive workplace experience. Unlock the potential of IoT and gain business value from a smarter building portfolio.